Hi friends, here we are given an equation log 2 to the base x times log 2 to the base x by 16 equals log 2 to the base x by 64. We have to find what is x. Right. Here there are 2's. 2, 2, 2 and 16 is clearly a power of 2 and 64 is also a power of 2. So it will be helpful if 2 if 2 goes down and x comes up, the 16 comes up or the 64 comes up. Luckily, we have a method, right? If you, instead of this as numerators, 1 by of this, if you do 1 by log 2 to the base x, we get log x to the base 2, right? For example, log 2 to the base x, we can write it as 1 by log 2 to the base x. This times, same, log 2 to the base x by 16, we can write it as 1 by log x by 16 to the base 2. This equals, again here also, we can write it as 1 by log x by 64 to the base 2. Right. Now, now luckily, we have got log a by b equals log a minus log b. Right, we all know this. Now we can write log x by 16 as log x minus log 16, both to the base 2 only. Right, that's what we are writing. The first time let it be like this, log x to the base 2 times 1 by log x to the base 2 minus log x minus log 16, the second term. Similarly, log x by 64 will become log x minus log 64, both to the base 2. This is what we wanted, right? 16 we wanted on the top and 64 also we wanted on the top. Log 16 to the base 2 is actually equal to 4 because 2 power 4 is 16, right? Similarly, 2 power 6 is 64. So this term will become 6, this term will become 4. So let us again simplify. 1 by log x to the base 2 times 1 by log x to the base 2 minus 4 equals 1 by log x to the base 2 minus 6. Now let's assume this log x to the base 2 is actually p. Just for simplification purpose, 1 by p times 1 by p minus 4 equals 1 by p minus 6. Right. Let us just do the cross multiplication. P minus 6 equals p times p minus 4, which is p square minus 4p. So p square minus 5p. Right. This p, if we bring it this side, and 6 also we bring it to this side, p square minus 5p plus 6 equals 0. We can write it as minus 5p, you can write it as minus 2p minus 3p. Why? Because 2 into 3 becomes 6, minus 2 into minus 3 will become plus 6, minus 2 plus minus 3 becomes minus 5p. Right. Now, we can factorize this p times p, 1 p times p minus 2 minus 3 times p minus 2, right? That becomes p minus 2 into p minus 3. What that means? P equals either 2 or 3. What is our p? P is our log x to the base 2. Log x to the base 2 can be 2 or 3. What does that mean? X can be 2 square or 2 cube. Right, what is x? Then it can be 4 or it can be 8. Right. Right, guys. This simple, straightforward problem. Just that if we bring x to the top or x by 16 to the top or x by 64 to the top, it becomes easy for us. Right. So log 2 to the base x is actually equal to 1 by log x to the base 2. We use that, and at the same time log a by b equals log a minus log b. Right, guys? Thank you.